The humble paperclip, a ubiquitous office tool, wasn't invented in one go. Its instantly recognizable double oval shape is famously known as the gem design. A Norwegian inventor, Johan Valler, patented a similar wire clip design in 1899. However, Valler's version was less practical than the gem, which remarkably never received a patent. The gem was considered a simple adaptation of existing technology, not a new invention in itself. During World War II, Norwegians famously wore paperclips as a subtle symbol of unity and resistance against Nazi occupation. It represented solidarity, binding them together against the oppressive forces. The gem design was first mass-produced by the Gem Manufacturing Company in England around 1890. Billions are produced annually, making them indispensable in offices and homes worldwide. This tiny, unassuming clip holds documents and a surprisingly rich history altogether.